That one that's kind of turned to you, the tombstone. I think it's that one. It's Tom.
Why does it feel like this?
And read the rest of it. Tell me what you read.
Tombstone.
Yeah.
That's cute.
The tombstone.
Oh yeah, see the bones? Tight ripped. They really went all out on the caplet things all over everything. But they didn't advertise, I just tried to out.
You could clean out their water control. Kind of sick.
Yeah, that was pretty bad.
The dam's pretty cool from here.
Yeah,
Do they still use it?
Yeah. They actually drained Lake Schaefer beginning of this year, I think it was.
Probably.
Yeah. I don't remember. But they can look, or, control the height of the water within like 6 inches.
Oh my gosh! Oh my lord! Oh my Lanta!
Oh, he's following us.
He's following.
I'm scared. Oh, he's got a knife. Oh, Lord.
How do you shut this thing off? I went off this train! I went off this train!